I don't know. I have a bunch of times. She does it in the morning a lot of the time. I'm like, look, she's doing the hop thing again. And you're like, what?
I didn't think you meant like.
No, like, I mean, like.
I meant like she just stood there.
No, she does the hop thing, and then she does this.
She jumps and clamps onto the side of the
She does all
like
sorts. She does all sorts of funny things. Good morning, baby bird. Are you a happy bird? Are you a happy bird? Yeah. Oh, here comes the mating. Here comes the mating song. She's gonna do the mating song in a second. Told you. Pretty bird. Do you like the bird in the mirror? Do you like that birdie in the mirror? Is he a pretty bird? I hate to tell you this, Brandy. The mirror is your reflection. Such a vain bird. Okay. Are you a vain bird? Do the quiet chirp. Do the rooster. Come on.